Hi everyone. Super excited today, we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. And not just the phone, we've also got the new case, which we'll set aside for just a moment. Let's dive right into the unboxing. The box looks pristine, classic Apple packaging, flawless as always. Time to pull that first pull tab, so satisfying. Now the bottom one, always a little trickier, but there it goes. Perfect. Now for the fun part, let's open this up. Here we go. I'll set the lid aside right here. And wow, look at this absolutely stunning iPhone 17 Pro Max, gorgeous. Let's carefully lift it out of the box. Before we admire it further, quick look at what else is inside: the charging cable, the paperwork, nothing too surprising, so let's move those out of the way. Back to the star of the show, this phone. And wow, it looks fantastic. Not too heavy, definitely feels lighter than last year's version. The screen is flawless. Let's go ahead and power it on. Perfect. While it boots up, let's check out the clear case. Same deal here, pull the tab, and now that we know the trick, it's smooth sailing. The phone's still booting, so let's pull the case out. Now this is Apple's new clear case, but as you can see, it's not completely transparent this year. It's got that frosted white backing covering most of it. Honestly, I think it's going to pair beautifully with the silver iPhone we've got here. Let's snap it on and clip it from one side, press it down, and just like that, it clicks right into place. And yes, exactly what I imagined. Clean, sleek, and modern. The new design really pops, and the buttons feel super clicky and responsive. So here it is, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max with its brand new case. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.